Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sarn Silov. Today we're going to be going over some geometry and we're going to be finding the area of a triangle. Now, finding the area of a triangle is very similar to finding a square, finding the area of a square. The difference is, instead of it just being the base times the height, it's going to be the base times the height divided by 2, right? And before I go into that, let me go ahead and show you an example as to why. So we're going to use this sheet of paper, right? The sheet of paper, let's say it's 4 by 4. Well, 4 by 4 is 4 times 4, 4 times 4, that's going to equal 16, right? Now, a triangle is going to be half of that when you fold it, right? So 16 divided by 2, that means that the area of a triangle is going to be 8 instead of 16. That's the reasoning behind the formula. So, with that being the case, let's go ahead and get started. Now, notice how I put an 8 right in the center, right? The reason why it's important to point this out is because you're going to see different triangles, right? And it's not always going to be the tallest point in general. It's based off of what a 90-degree angle would look like, right? So this is just a normal triangle. However, we're going to go off the height of the center, which would be the highest point for it, right? Whereas it would look different for a obtuse triangle, right? But let's get straight into it. So it's going to be 8, which is going to be the height, times 12, which is going to be the base. Well, 12 times 8, that's going to equal 96, right? So A equals, now keep in mind, it's base times height divided by 2, right? So we're going to take 96 and divide it by 2. So A is going to equal 48 centimeters squared. Just like the fractions, just like the rectangles and the squares, we're getting the square footage of something. It's going to be squared at the end every single time. And because the measurement was centimeters here, it's going to be here as well. So your area for a triangle is going to equal to 48 centimeters squared. And that's what your answer is going to end up being.